Okay, Jeff here. I own a house in Littleton, Colorado. You guys are thinking about putting a tube heater in your garage or heating your garage. This is hopefully good information for you to consider. I just got this, what they call Detroit Radiant Heater. Detroit Radiant Products Reverberate. Reverberate's been around a long time, and this is a 40,000 BTU tube heater, which is a 20-foot tube heater. And you can see it goes all the way from one end of the garage to the other. I've got about 720 square feet. The garage is insulated, and 40,000 BTUs is plenty. It's 11 degrees outside right now, and you can see this is the fresh air intake on this side. It goes into the burner. This is a two-stage heater, which both lights lit there show that both stages are lit. The first stage is like a 28 to 30,000 BTU stage, and the second stage is 40,000 BTU. So to maintain the temperature in the garage, it'll try to use the single stage, and if it can achieve that, it'll do that on a lower energy, lower BTU rating, like I said, 28 to 30,000, versus all on at 40,000 or all on or all off at 40,000, all off. So I highly recommend the two-stage heater. This one is obviously garage residential approved. The clearance from the ceiling to the reflector, it's a high polish reflector, as you can see, and the clearance here is 6 inches from the ceiling to the top of the reflector. Some of them go as little as 4 inches, but I've got plenty of clearance. This is a 9-foot ceiling, and I'm 6 foot high, and I can barely reach the ceiling or the tube heater with my hands. So plenty of clearance, and so here's the tube heater, and the great thing about infrared tube heating is that it directs the heat downward like the sun. It warms the surfaces like the garage floor or objects in the garage, and therefore when you open the garage door, the heat stays in the garage because the surfaces are warm, versus a hot air blower, which is dusty, and when you open that garage door with the hot air blower, all that hot air goes out the window, out the garage door, and then your surfaces aren't necessarily that warm. So that's the great thing about the tube heater. You can see here how quiet it is. It's on full blast right now, and it's very quiet operation too, unlike a gas blower. Gas blowers are cheaper, but they're less efficient, so you're probably going to get your money back. It may take a few years, but you're going to get your money back on this unit if you put a tube heater in, if you're going to do so. This is the B vent or the exhaust. I'll show you outside. It's 11 degrees outside, and I think you can see it's kind of snowy. There's the vent, about 6 inches clearance from the wall of the house, and then has to be at least 36 inches below the eave. Excuse me. This unit is connected to a thermostat, and you can see the thermostat's about 67 degrees in here. And you can dial that in just like a normal house thermostat, and it's been great. I mean, I couldn't be happier with it. The cost of the unit is about $1,400, and then you got about a $300, $400 install cost. Then you got to run your gas line. This is my gas line, as you can see, flexible tubing. I had to run 100 feet or so of gas line, so it upped my cost. My total cost was about $2,600 to install this heater, but like I said, I think it would be one of the best things you've ever done. You're going to get your money back out of the house when you sell the home, I'm sure too, just because somebody's going to see this garage and they're going to say, I would like a heated garage, and especially when it's 11 degrees outside in snowy Colorado here. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I hope I've been helpful on explaining what this is and the benefits over the traditional gas blower, which I'm really glad I didn't get. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Be happy to answer. Good luck.